So here we are at the back wheel on the primary side. When you look down here behind the back wheel, you have this plastic cover here. It is just attached with one screw down here. So here it usually sits a screw in. That's all you have to open. When you remove the screw, this one just slides down like this. So now when you look in here, you see this part here. In here there sits a cable, and this cable. So that actually sits in here when you open it the first time. Just pull it out. You have to open that sits in like this. And that's where you connect the siren. So on this one, you see you have a red, a black, and a white-green striped cable. On the siren side, we have a black and a red one. Do not use red and black. You have to use red to red on the siren, and the black one has to go into the middle, to the green and white. Don't put it into the black one. It will immediately start, and you probably damage your hearing. It is extremely loud. So here we go. It's connected, and where's my fob? So once you start the bike, you hear a sound, and when you arm it, it will play the sound again. To actually attach the siren, I had a look, and I found it is the easiest way is to go to the exhaust side. So you see I've attached the siren down here, and I just used sticky tape, double-sided tape, and attached it to whatever component is behind that thing here. You might see it from the top. You can see it here. It doesn't cover the whole thing, but that's why I said use the thick, heavy-duty sticky tape, and this one should stick here as good as possible. Hope that helped you guys. Leave me a thumbs up if you like that kind of videos, and let's see, maybe I do some more.